What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we decided to do cooking today. I'm hoping this can continue to be a series. We're basically replicating fast food items from some of your favorite places. Today we went ahead and did a Chick-fil-A sandwich. As you may know, Chick-fil-A is supporting anti-LGBTQ organizations and stuff like that. So we're trying to find alternatives to not eat there because, come on, we love everybody. Truly, we do. Come on. So the goal for this video today is to replicate it perfectly. The only issue is I don't know the ingredients. So I got my boys to get the ingredients for me. My friend Eddie went ahead and picked up everything for us today. Luckily, thank you again, Eddie. Other than that, we're basically winging everything and the ingredients, the measurements and all that. We're thinking what goes in where, how much. It can be really good or really bad. Hopefully good. So the boys did have to get my groceries. I can't look at the ingredients that's gonna be in. So my friend Eddie managed to help me out, plug it. Nice ass card too. God damn. What's up, man? How are you? Good, man. Thank you so much for getting my groceries, dude. It really does mean a lot to me.
Yeah, for sure. I should have everything you need here.
All right, cool. Nah, yeah. What the? All right, man. Thank you. All right, so the boys did help me out. They got me my ingredients. I've never cooked a Chick-fil-A sandwich in my life, nor have I ever made this sauce. So with that being said, it's just a bunch of like sweet stuff, a lot of condiments for the most part. Of course, the chicken itself. We even got fucking American cheese too. Ooh, we rich. Man, it's a start. Come on, wash your damn hands, bro. Fuck, come on. 1, 2, 3, and for the love of God, please wash your tomatoes too. Like, that's the last thing to be. Tomatoes are disgusting when they're not washed, you know what I'm saying? Come on, make sure that shit's rubbery, scrubbery clean. Alright, so we do gotta batter our chicken, so I think I'm gonna need flour. Maybe some, yeah, definitely the chicken. I do got milk. Let's see. Oh shit, I should clean that bitch out real quick. And I'm also gonna use pickle juice as well as pepper and salt. Mediterranean sea salt at that. Come on, that's big money stuff right there. So in my cooking days, in my whole life, I've learned to cook eggs thanks to my dad. And then other than that, TikTok and Miss P's cooking class back in 2017 in high school. That's all I got in life. So I think in TikTok they tell you to pat down, like, you know, undamp your chicken. I don't got paper towels, so I got toilet paper. What's this doing, okay? I also did cut it in half because that's way too much damn chicken for a Chick-fil-A. They'd be charging you 20 bucks for that. Fuck Chick-fil-A. Damn, I'm getting hella toilet paper parts on this. Fuck. Damn, I gotta massage this bitch to get the... It's dry, but there's all the toilet paper on it now. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Alright, we're gonna pour some milk in here. You know, get all layered out. I think about right there is okay. We'll massage it. A little bit of pepper. Come on. Oh my god, this is actually... I feel like I'm back at work. I'm a server at an Italian food restaurant, bro. Oh, did I break it? No, I didn't. Okay. A little bit of salt ain't hurt anybody. Come on. Oh, shit. And a little bit of dill pickles. Come on. Fuck, that took a minute. Oh, fuck. Do I have a strainer? This ain't a strainer, but this is all I got. Oh, okay, we're good. Oh, this is disgusting. I hate pickle juice. Alright, I think that's a little bit more. That's good. We just finna massage this bad boy. Let it sit in the juices. After that, we're gonna hit it with the flour. Get a little more. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have put salt in this because there's gonna be. You know what? We're learning on the way. We're learning. It's all good. Fuck Chick-fil-A. We gonna make a milk fillets better. All right, time for our flour now. So far, it looks not terrible. I drained everything out. I massaged it like I was at a special happy ending massage place. So the chicken looks okay. Not too bad. I'm gonna put flour and a little bit of salt, and then we're gonna massage this bad boy. I think we can fry it up after that. I hope. Now we gonna bather this bad boy up. I might put a little more salt in it. Maybe not. I don't know. Doesn't look too bad. It kind of looks like a TikTok. You know what I mean? From what I've seen, this looks like a chicken sandwich, so I can't complain too much. I feel like LeBron, bro. Oh. Here's our finished product before the frying. Not bad, man. Come on, you cannot. It looks like a powdered wig. You can't hate on that. That looks delicious. Who the fuck did dishes, man? Alright, here we go. Just put a little bit so it can fill up, right? Is this evaporating? No, it's not. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Just a little bit. And luckily on TikTok, they taught me a chopstick. It bubbles, that's when you know it's ready to cook. Alright, cool. I think we're good. We're good. We're good. Alright, TikTok. Let's see if you're right. Oh, it's bubbling. Okay. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Okay. Be careful. Okay. Careful, 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 careful. It's coming. No, get out of the way, broom. It's coming. Let's go. Alright, unfortunately, I'm really scared of oil. I can't even cook bacon. So what makes you think I can cook this? I'm gonna aim for like 3 to 4 minutes. Fuck, what do you cook chicken at? I think it's 135. 135. No, 129. No, 135. 135. Oh shit. I'll get you off the camera. Is this too high? Let's turn it down a little bit. Let's turn it down a little bit. Turn it down. Turn it down. Go to 7. Go to 7. I feel like it's burning. Okay, maybe don't move it. Okay, this is going bad really quick. Please stop. Maybe I put too much oil. I'm not gonna put too much oil. That's okay. Sometimes you're gonna make mistakes and you don't know what you're doing. It looks burnt. It looks burnt already. Okay, well, let's turn it off. Oh, fuck. Okay, well. Oh, fuck. No. Oh my god, man. I wish I could do something. Oh! So this is our chicken. That fucking hurt, man. Hey, easily a top 5 scariest moment in my life, bro. I swear to God, I thought like that fire extinguisher. I was like, bro, I think I needed it because look at this, man. Are you kidding me? Such a big oil spill. I don't know if you can even catch that, man. That was high. How's my face? Excuse me while I inspect my face real quick. Am I good? Burns right there. I got a burn right there, it feels like. That fucking hurt, man. So, likely this one won't kill me. We're gonna make the Chick-fil-A sauce. We got lemon juice, barbecue sauce, regular mustard, Dijon mustard, honey, a little bit of sugar, and some white people, my people stuff. Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip do be fire, though. They really don't, though. Alright, so I gotta assume that since Chick-fil-A is from the South, you know, a lot of people like mayonnaise in the South. So I think, I don't know. So I think a good amount. I think that was a little too much, but I think that would be good. All right. Right away, need a little bit of honey. Select choice. Not bad. I think not too much. I think right there is good. Not bad. How are you not going to get a little bit of tang with it? A little bit of lemon juice. Why not? This one, definitely not too much. Alright, that's good. 2 drips. 4 drips. 10. I don't know. Felt right to me, okay? Regular mustard. What the fuck's not coming out? Oh. It's like the other ones. What are you doing, Daniel? Dude, Chick-fil-A is never going to hire me if I can't open a bottle of mustard. That's all I know. A little bit of Dijon mustard. What does it get, Dijon? Oh. Yeah, that's not bad, actually. A little bit more. Hit it with some good old Baby Ray's barbecue. I think that one's good. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I? Oh, the pickle juice. Hey, Chick-fil-A always uses pickle juice. I know for a fact they put pickle juice in their fucking sauce. It's always like, because there's always that dirty ass tang. Maybe it's not the lemon. Maybe there was no lemon in it. No, there has to be. Eddie got the ingredients from. He knows the recipe. Yeah, he's good. I don't get it. I don't know how we don't have a whisk. But, got a fork. I told you all the ingredients. Hopefully it turns into an orange color. It already looks like shit. That looks like the sauce. I ain't gonna lie. That actually, I might be honest on here. Okay, let's try it. Just way too much pickle juice. We got way too much pickle juice, so I think I'm gonna put a little more barbecue sauce and a touch of honey. Can't go wrong with honey. That reminds me, today's sponsor for today. I feel like that's the closest I'm gonna get because I think I put too much pickle juice. Not bad though. Just cut our tomatoes. We're gonna prepare our sandwich now. I might have made too thick of a slice. Oh wait, that's gonna be perfect though. Is that perfect? Perfect for me. Lettuce is washed. I think this one should be pretty easy. I think I just literally pull, yeah? Just be gentle. Oh yeah. Man, tell me if that doesn't look delicious. Come on. You got the good bun, the cheese, the Chick-fil-A sandwich, man. Lettuce, pickle, tomato, lettuce, Chick-fil-A sauce. You gotta see down there. Come on. That's good quality food, people. That's how you make a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Come on. Not gonna lie though, that is gonna be the rest of the video. I'm sorry it's not an actual Chick-fil-A sandwich. I really thought I could make it, no joke. Like, I knew I didn't know the ingredients, but I thought this would be a good idea. Like, I knew it would be not the greatest, but I didn't know I was gonna die today. That's crazy. But, I mean, if it was cooked the other way, it looks appetizing. Look at that. I did a pretty good job presentation-wise. Nonetheless, I appreciate y'all greatly for watching this video if you made it this far. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I really do appreciate it. If you like this stuff, more cooking videos to come. Other than that, have a good day. I don't know. Do something with your day. I don't know. Stormy, dinner is served. There you go, buddy. Nope.